Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set Apple Pay as your default payment method on OfferUp. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start using Apple Pay in order to pay for things on OfferUp. How do you actually go ahead and set it as your default payment method? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is you're going to go into your OfferUp account. And then on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on your profile icon. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says payment and deposit methods. Click on that. Now, once you click on here, you're going to see your deposit account info. And underneath that, you're going to see payment methods. So your prompts might look different from mine, depending if you have different payment methods already connected to OfferUp. But where it says Apple Pay, you want to make sure that you have Apple Pay already connected. And then once it's connected, you want to set it as default. So there you have it. I've now set my Apple Pay as default to my OfferUp account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set Apple Pay as my default payment method on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.